Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview natural chemistry cover-free. What is natural chemistry cover-free? Cover-free's patent-pending advanced monolayer technology offers users the ability to save water and money by decreasing evaporation. A monolayer, one molecule thick, is formed on the water surface, while surface tension allows it to remain in place or reform during swimming. Cover-free saves you money by reducing water evaporation by up to 85% and water heat loss by up to 70%. Product benefits: an invisible liquid barrier that conserves water and heat. Advanced monolayer technology helps conserve hundreds of gallons of pool water. Reduces water evaporation. Usage directions. Step 1. Shake well. Step 2. Add 4 ounces per 20,000 gallons of pool water, 667 square feet, per week. Step 3. Using the measuring guide on the side of the bottle, squeeze recommended dose over the surface of pool water. Dosage: 4 fluid ounces per 20,000 gallons of water per week. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.